What's the meaning of craftsperson? Craftsperson. Craftsperson.
Craftsperson. Craftsperson. A craftsperson is someone who is skilled at a particular craft or trade and produces high-quality, handmade goods. They have expertise in their craft and often use traditional techniques and tools to create unique and beautiful products. Craftspersons may work independently or as part of a larger team, and they take pride in their work and the quality of the finished product. The result of their work is often a one-of-a-kind, carefully crafted item that reflects the individuality and skill of the craftsperson who made it.